So yeah, hey guys, this is the end result. I did my mascara, as you can see, and the face is done, the mascara is done. You can set your face. I have Coldalia. I don't know how to really pronounce. I have this, you guys. It is a Beauty Elixir Smoothing Glowing Complexion. I'm not going to spray it right now because my mascara is still a little wet and I just don't want to make a mess because I actually really like my makeup today. Otherwise, just do a setting spray if you want. Realistically, on the go, I don't use one. If I could find my lip liner, I'll show you guys. This is NYX lip pencil in the shade Nude Truffle. And I will just like kind of fill it in like that. And then I'll do like a line here, you know, and then I'll go kind of up and then kind of down and up and down, just like that. Okay, and then kind of just fill it in just a little bit. Put on a chapstick, a lip gloss. I just got a new lip gloss for free $99 again with my Sephora points. Well, it probably cost me at one time or another. And I'm just using some Aquaphor. I love this lip treatment, everything kind of treatment. It is just amazing. And my lips feel great. So now this is the official look. I am loving this eyeshadow palette. I am loving just all of this. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day and stay tuned for more everyday like makeup looks and outfits. And today I'm just wearing a t-shirt and some leggings. So have a good one. Bye.